a Newcastle University engineering degree carries real kudos all over the globe. We believe that when you come to Newcastle University to study engineering, that you're an engineer from day one.
I really like the idea that they use real-life projects to be adapted into the course.
On day one, you will be issued with your safety equipment, your PPE equipment, so that we can immediately take you into these real-world engineering industrial environments.
On the first year, it's really bold for you to go and discover yourself.
We see engineering as a unified discipline, so we bring all of the disciplines, chemical, mechanical, civil, electrical, marine, together and teach them in an integrated way. We're a real global community here at Newcastle. We have over 100 nationalities in our School of Engineering, and we have cutting-edge laboratory facilities to go with that.
We are going to have like a new lab in Drummond building, and I'm really excited about because all the lab equipment is going to be brand new for us.
We recruit the best people from all over the world to join us here and be academics in the School of Engineering. And a lot of the staff have worked in industry as well as in academia, and they have lots of links with industry, which really keeps us up to date and helps us make sure we're working on real-world engineering problems. Newcastle's a great city to be a student. It's very welcoming, very friendly.
Over here we have rivers, we have bridge. If you go to Gateshead, you find an interesting structure.
There are very strong international communities of students, so we've got everything you could want really here. We're in the top 2% of universities in the world, so when you walk into the room and introduce yourself as a Newcastle graduate, it really counts. People know what the value of that is, and that makes opportunities for you.